Remove accessories. Remove the accessory box. Take out the bobbin. Replace the bobbin cover. Place a spool of thread on the spool pin. Hold the end of the thread. Push the bobbin winder shaft to the right until it clicks. Turn on the sewing machine. Lightly press the foot pedal to start winding the bobbin. Trim excess thread from the bobbin head. The bobbin will automatically stop when fully wound. Push shaft to the left to remove bobbin and cut thread. Pull the thread through the slit. Ensure the bobbin spins clockwise. Pull out about 6 inches of thread. Replace the bobbin cover plate. Raise the presser foot. Turn the handwheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest position. Place a spool of thread on the spool pin. The presser foot must be raised. Draw the thread up through the take-up lever from right to left. Draw thread down and slip it into needle bar thread guide. Lower the presser foot. Pull down the lever while holding the thread end. Rotate the lever to the rear of the machine. Release the lever and pull the thread away from you. Raise the presser foot. Turning the handwheel until the take-up lever is at its highest position. Pull the needle thread lightly with your left hand. Pick up the bobbin thread. Pull 6 inches of both threads back under the presser foot. Press the button to adjust the brightness of the light. Press the button. Adjust the speed to 20 stitches per minute. Adjust the speed to 800 stitches per minute. Includes 24 quilting stitches and 1 buttonhole stitch. Set the pattern selector dial to D. Set the stitch length dial to SS. Lightly press the foot pedal to sew the selected pattern. Sew the selected pattern. Use plus to increase the stitch length. Use minus to decrease the stitch length. Set the stitch length dial to 0.5 to 1. Set the stitch length dial to 2. Set the stitch length dial to 3. Set the stitch length dial to 4. When using the backstitch function, make sure that a straight stitch is selected. Sew a straight stitch by lightly pressing the foot pedal. Press the reverse stitch lever continuously. Secure the ends of the seams. Turn off the sewing machine. Raise the needle by turning handwheel towards you. Rotate the needle clamp screw toward yourself. Remove the needle from the clamp. Insert the new needle into the needle clamp. Keep the flat side of the needle facing the back. When inserting the needle into the clamp, push it up as far as it will go. Raise the presser foot. Press the lever on the back of the presser foot holder. The presser foot will drop off. Lower the presser foot holder to lock the foot in place. Remove the needle plate screws and the needle plate. Brush the feed dog teeth to remove dust and lint. After cleaning, restore the disassembled parts. Open the cover plate and take out bobbin. Open the shuttle race cover holders. Clean the shuttle race with soft cloth and a brush. Assemble the shuttle race after cleaning. Install the accessory box.